Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you the zoom rotation tutorial on CapCut. So first import your clips, then click on the transition box, click on camera and then select the pull in. Okay, set it into 0.5, click on a check icon and then after that add 3 keyframes on each clip at the start, in the middle and at the end. Okay, and then after that zoom in the clip on each keyframe. Like that, and do this also for the second clips. Okay, and then after that go in between the first and second keyframe and go to grabs and select the ease out 3. Okay, edit it and adjust it like this. Okay, click on a check icon and then add the same grabs for the first and second keyframe on clip 2. Click on a check icon and then in between the last 2 keyframes, so the second and third keyframe, go to grab and now select the ease in 1. Click on a check icon like this and then click on the first clip, go to animation, combo and select the zoom 1 animation. Okay, this one. Then also select the same animation for the second clip. Okay, so here is the result for the zoom rotation. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.